Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to fat loss girl step by step. Start by defining a realistic goal and write it down, then use a simple calorie target and protein goal. Aim for consistent workouts 3 to 5 times weekly, include both resistance and cardio, sleep at least 7 hours per night, manage stress with short daily practices, and track progress with photos and measurements rather than just the scale. Let's dive into nutrition basics that truly support fat loss. Focus on a small calorie deficit so you keep energy and avoid extreme restrictions. Hit a protein target to protect muscle. Balance meals with vegetables and whole grains. Include healthy fats for hormones and fullness, and use meal prep to stay consistent. Small sustainable changes beat short-lived extremes, so pick habits you enjoy and can repeat weekly. A simple training plan makes fat loss feel doable and fun. Focus on resistance training about 4 times per week with compound moves. Add 2 to 3 cardio sessions like walking, cycling, or intervals for extra calorie burn, and prioritize progressive overload to keep improving strength. Rest days are part of the plan, so schedule active recovery and track workouts to celebrate small wins and maintain motivation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.